How to log in 7-Eleven employee portal. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for 7-Eleven Your Learning Portal. Tap on the first link that appears in the search page. You will be directed to the official login page of 7-Eleven. Here, you will see two sections. One is for franchise owners, store managers, and all others, while the other one is for franchise employees, store associates. Since we want to log into Employee Portal, tap on the login button below franchise employees and store associates. You will be led to the login page. Now enter your credentials, that is your username and your password, and click on the login button. Just in case if you have forgotten the password, there also is an option for forgot your password, and if you are a new user, then the registration for new user is here itself too. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.